Here, HomeGoods is starting to put out all of their Easter decorations. So today's video is going to be showing Easter decor at HomeGoods. Have some cute little mugs here. It says Happy Easter. Carrots, bunnies. Have some Easter eggs from Martha Stewart. Also have some cute little signs that say Happy Easter. There are so many unique decorations. I'm loving this sign. It says wishing every bunny a happy day. This would be perfect to put like outside your door or somewhere underneath the porch. Some really cute decorative pillows. More signs down below. These cute Martha Stewart Easter eggs. Different colors. Some different bunnies with the flowers on them. How pretty. And then just some more bunnies. This is Martha Stewart. She has really nice decor pieces. And some fake plants over here. And how cute is this carrot garland? It's 72.05 inches. So festive. Some more bunnies. Some more mugs. More things. And here are some really pretty delicate marble Easter eggs, which are so unique. More pillows, some more knick-knacks here. We got some candy, jelly beans. Moving over here, we have like little plate set, bunny dinosaur, some cute little bunnies over here. Some Happy Easter. This is a really cute sign. And they also have a Welcome Spring sign as well. These are really cute. Let's see, they are $3.99 each. Super cute. And look how adorable these bunnies are. For $12.99 you get 3 of them. Some more garland. Oh, look at these mugs. Chick mugs, and it comes with a little spoon, a carrot mug, and then with some Easter eggs in the back. How cute. And look at this cute little gift. It's a little bunny basket with a blanket. And then of course they have some St. Patrick's Day stuff as well. Really cute. This says welcome with a shamrock. And some more Easter stuff with the bunnies. Cute little shamrock. Bunnies. I'm loving all the colors on this cute little decoration. Then here we have a carrot pillow and some really, really cute plates and napkins. This is perfect if you're throwing a party or just to celebrate for Easter. How cute are these? And then of course we just have some more decor here. This is really cute. This little bunny with the flowers. And then these cute little bunnies here. And then I'm loving these mugs here. They have, one has little chicks on them, and then look at this cute little chick mug. How adorable is this? Perfect for springtime. Love the bright yellow color to it. Then we have a little duckling here. How cute, it's like crocheted. And then look at all of these cute little miniature bunnies. You can put them anywhere throughout your house. And I'm loving this Easter gift here. And then look at all of this festive decor here. I love the little flower bunnies. They just add such a fun touch. Then here it's a carrot cake shake candle. I'm sure this smells amazing, just like carrot cake if you really love that. And look at this wreath here, so beautiful. These cute little furry baskets. This would make such a perfect cute gift for a child for Easter. They just look so adorable, and I think anyone would love to receive this. There's also plenty of Easter baskets to choose from. I'm loving the one with the little face on it. I love the different colors ones too, and they come in so many different sizes. Quilted bunny pillow, loving the colors. Loving also this Easter puzzle here. This will be such a fun activity for family members. And then here we have a table runner which you can color in. This would make such a fun activity to do. And then here we have some Easter books, perfect to give to the little children around this time. Easter egg present hunt, just different little books like this. This is perfect to put in their Easter baskets as well. 5 little Easter bunnies. There's all different shapes and sizes of these books, from, you know, super basic for little children to the more advanced picture books. So there is something here for every child, which is so nice. And again, these would make such cute little gifts to add to a child's Easter basket. These are such cute mini bags here, and they're made of such a strong material. They're so durable, and only for $1.99. These are such a steal. This would be perfect to put any like little gifts in for Easter, to give to friends, family. I'm loving also the different designs, and they have also bigger sizes as well. This is so cute with the tassel and pom-poms on it. I did end up buying this one. It was just so cute. I could not resist it. And look how cute this bunny is here. I mean, this is so adorable. I'm loving these bags here. And then they also have one with like the Easter eggs on it. So cute. Here are some mini gift bags. They come in like little chicks and bunnies, perfect for just a miniature gift. And then there's also some garland here that you can string up around your house or for a party. Here we have a cute carrot plate with gold foiling. Love the design. Here we have a Happy Easter plate, and they have 2 for $4.99, and they have 2 different sizes, and I love the gold foiling on that one too. Then we have some napkins, bunny napkins for $5.99. Here are some Peter the Rabbit plates, and these are priced at $4.99. And then we also have some cute little napkins to go with it too. I love the scallops on these plates. This one says Happy Easter with the bunny. And this one says Easter, and it's for $3.99. And there are just so many different plates to choose from. This is so cute to spice up a gathering. And then there's more books here. And then here we have some bunnies, some more plates. How cute are these? Look at the bunny. Like, this is just so cute and adorable. And then I love these Easter egg placemats. Then here's just like an overview of more Easter decorations here. A lot of the bunnies and cute little like carrot signs. Here are some Hello Kitty Easter plates. We are now entering into the candy section. They have so many different options to choose from little chocolate eggs to gummy bears. Here is another candy aisle where they have more snacks to choose from. And here is this gigantic Easter egg. Look how big this is. I cannot get over the size of this. This is perfect for someone who loves chocolate, and it's priced at $11.99. And then they also have a rooster as well, like a hen. And then more chocolate Easter eggs. A lot of these look like they're made from Italy. And then here, like, how cute is this packaging with these little eggs? I love the colors on this package, and it's for $6.99, and you get all these little Easter eggs. And then just more candy over here. So much to choose from. I'm loving the packaging on all of these. Perfect for spring. And then by the checkout, they have these dino Easter eggs, jelly beans, and then some more chocolate bunnies. These are the lint ones. You cannot go wrong with these. I feel like for Easter is such a staple. And these are priced at $3.49. In the center of the store, they have just a hodgepodge of the Easter candy, decorations, plates, getting the store into the festive mood. Then here they have this cute little bunny honeycomb banner, perfect for throwing a party. And then these crackers as well. Look at all the candy. I'm loving this Easter egg tree here. Another banner, as well as some more candy, more cute little bunnies. Loving the details of these trees, so pretty. An Easter wreath. Have some mugs. Love my peeps. Chirp. some more Easter candy, the carrots, gummies, so much variety here. Here's the kitchen decor section at HomeGoods.
Good stuff.
Loving these butterfly plates with the flower details on them. And then here we have some mugs with the bunnies, says egg hunt. Some more Easter decor, perfect to just add to your kitchen. It really just makes a fun statement. And then they have these cute measuring things, plates, so much to choose from here. And then there's also these cute little dainty teacups as well. I'm loving these measuring cups, and they have this cute little bunny face on them. This is so irresistible, perfect for spring. If you will be baking this springtime or around Easter, make sure to look out the baking section. How cute are these items here with the little bunny details? There's a fun variety of sprinkles and cupcake liners, perfect for the springtime baking. Look at these fun Easter placemats here. This is perfect to put on your kitchen table or your dining room table, and it just makes such a nice statement to your home, adds a pop of color, and really just gets you in the mood for Easter. Loving the different designs here. So many details are in. The serving plate adds a great addition to your kitchen if you're going to be serving up food. And then here we have the hand towels for Easter. So many florals and the bunnies. Loving the designs and the details as well as the colors. I love the pastels in these hand towels. There's so many different options to choose from. Also, these mitts are perfect for the springtime. I'm loving these carrot ones. They are so bright and festive. Here there are some Easter bathroom hand towels. I'm loving the material on some of these. They feel so soft, but they are so decorative at the same time. Then they also have some of their St. Patrick's Day hand towels as well. Here we have the wreaths. I love the greenery and the Easter eggs on this one. And then they just have a whole bunch of ones with different either flowers or Easter eggs. This one looks like a bunny. Here are some wooden Easter decor items here. We just have some bunnies, this cute little woven bunny. It adds such a nice detail and texture. And then here we have this white bunny. I feel like this can go with anything. And then moving along here, we just have some other just little knickknacks. Here's another section of the store where they have more of the Easter knickknacks. So with the bunnies, different colors, shapes, sizes, some Easter signs. I love like those straw bunnies up there as well. Look how big these are. So nice. I'm gonna add such a fun touch to your house. And then here is the wall where they have more like the fake greenery. Some of it looks so real though, and look how cute this bunny wreath is. I love the bunny. It's just so adorable. And then here we have the wishing every bunny a happy day sign, and this huge Easter bunny with the eggs and the teacups. So fun. Here's another section of the store where again they have like the little decorative Easter eggs, the Easter trees, some bunnies. And then I'm loving this like huge house here that was decorated so nicely. Some little more knickknacks, and then they have this green stand. It says Fresh Flower Market. This would be perfect to put outside. How fun is this chick coming out of the egg? And then there's more florals. Here's the stationery. It says Happy Easter with a little Easter egg, notepad, and then a bunny. And then moving, there are these carrot erasers. How fun. For $2.99 you get a whole bunch of them. Perfect for a gift idea. And then they have these little balls where you can break them, and I think there's like different toys inside. These are priced at $4.99. Different designs for Easter. This would just be a fun little idea. And then these are the toys.